Okay, today I'm going to show you how to generate an audio file, export it, and save it from ChatGPT to your local computer. I'm providing an extremely large text, over 5,000 words and 31,000 characters. I'll input this text into the chat and generate the audio file. First, you need to install AudioTTS, a simple text-to-speech downloader. You can install it from the Chrome Web Store. After that, you'll see two buttons, Download All Voices and Auto Speed for Large Text. If your text is very large, just click that button, paste your text here, and then click OK. The extension will automatically split the text into several chunks and send them to ChatGPT. After that, it will generate the audio file with all the chunks merged into one. Let's go! Better keep your hands off the keyboard during this process because it automatically splits and sends the chunks to ChatGPT. So please keep your hands away from the keyboard while this process runs. Okay, I think that is the last part. As you can see in the top box, the audio file is being generated. Now, just wait until the file is ready to be downloaded onto your computer. Wait a moment. Okay, it's successful. The file size is 11 megabytes. It's a huge file. Now, listen to the live voice. This is insane. It's a 31-minute audio. Let's listen to a sample of the voice.
In a village nestled at the foot of the Whispering Peaks, a range of mountains that seemed to hum with an ancient, unseen energy.
This is the final part. Okay, let's check if this is the correct ending.
The Whispering Glade remained a part of her, a secret she carried within her heart, a reminder of the interconnectedness of life, of the echoes of the past that resonated in the present. And she knew with a certainty that settled deep within her bones that the glade would always be there, whispering its secrets to those who dared to listen.
Okay, that's all. So you can definitely generate audio from large text using AudioTTS. Just install this Chrome extension and use the same feature I demonstrated in this demo. Also, if you have another text, you can export the entire conversation as audio by clicking the button. Okay, like this. We have several conversations here. You can export all these responses as audio by clicking the button. Now wait for the audio. Okay, so it's complete. AudioTTS has generated the audio.
Hey, what's up? Okay, so Jakarta is like the super busy, always moving capital city of Indonesia. Do hearts are fine.
Okay, hopefully this helps you generate an audio file. Download it now from the Chrome Web Store. Just search for AudioTTS and click it. Not this one. Oh, who created this? I need to check. But this is the original. This is the true AudioTTS, not this one. I'll check who it is. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.